Hey, how you doing? It's Dave Nations with Heartwood Coaching and Nations Network, powered by Keller Williams Realty. Hey, I wanted to reach out to you today, let you know we recently spoke with a lender who was updating us on the market from their perspective and sharing with us what we already know. Inventory is incredibly low, right? Actually, we're historic lows throughout the country right now, and it doesn't seem to be getting any better. And one of the things that they shared that I thought was really interesting and wanted to share with you today was they're expecting rates to come down some, which we've all been talking about for a while and seeing hey, when that comes down, some people will get off the fence and start to buy, right? So as inflation starts to slow down some, that's going to help us see the rates drop, which on one hand is great, right? That's going to create some more buyer opportunities for us and get those buyers who've been saying, hey, I would buy, but I'm waiting for the rates to come down. So there's an opportunity to be able to call those folks and let them know. It sounds like that they're predicting in May for them to come down, and by July to be even lower. So we'll see if those predictions are correct, for one. But the bigger concern to me, depending on which way you look at this, is if we get more buyers in the market and the historic low of inventory that we have, it just means it's going to get that much more competitive. I don't know about you guys, but I believe we are experiencing the same type of market right now as we were experiencing this time last year. The difference being the rates this time last year were, 3%, 4%, somewhere in there. And now we're at 6. So anywho, it's crazy because the rates have doubled. So what'll be interesting is to see how much competition is going to be increasing because of the potential increased buyer pool. So if you have sellers that are on the fence about getting on the market, consider those stats. If you have buyers that are interested in getting on the market but are wanting for the rates to increase, they should go out now, right before it gets even that much more competitive. And then when they own that house, then they can refinance it to this whatever lower rate it might go to at that point. And then because then they have the house to be able to refinance in, as opposed to waiting for the rates to come down. So just wanted to share that with you. I hope you can take that nugget and implement it into your business and help generate some business for you and keep filling your pipeline. Thanks for watching. As always, if there's anything we can do at Heartwood Coaching, feel free to reach out or follow us on our Facebook page at Heartwood Coaching. Thanks. Talk to you soon.